السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. هلو برايمري 5، وحشتوني جدا. I'm Miss شيرين. للناس اللي منضمين معانا جديد إن شاء الله تتبسطوا معانا إن شاء الله في المدرسة بإذن الله. Today we will start our revision to be ready for the next year إن شاء الله primary 6. Okay. First thing we will talk about it's about fractions and decimals. Let's start with fractions. When I tell to any numbers that is fraction, to tell that on the number is a fraction, I must have the line of fraction. Okay. 1 is a number. Okay, because it's 1, so only a number. Okay, but fraction I must have two numbers, number up and number down. So I will put here 2 and 3, so I can tell this number is a fraction. Okay, because it have the line of fraction and number up, number down. Number up called numerator. Okay, and the down number called denominator. Okay, I have 3 cases of fraction, 3 types of fractions. I have proper fraction and improper fraction and mixed number. What's the difference between 3 types? Proper fraction like 2/3, because 2 is smaller than 3. When the numerator is smaller than the denominator, it's called proper fraction. Okay, what's the improper fraction? It's the opposite. If the dominant of the numerator is greater than the denominator, like 7/5. Okay, a mixed number consists of 2 parts, a whole number and fraction. It's like 1 and 2/3. It's 1 and 2/3. It's considered a mixed fraction because it consists of 2 parts. It's 1, it's a whole number, and 2/3, it's fraction. Okay? If he asked me to convert this mixed number to improper fraction or to fraction, I must do these steps. Okay? 1 and 2/3. I want to convert this mixed number to improper fraction. What the steps I can do? First, to convert fraction, if I must have the line of fraction. Okay, the denominator will be the same. The denominator here is 3, so the denominator here is 3. So then I will multiply the whole number by the denominator. 1 multiply 3 equals 3, plus the numerator who plus 2. If 1 multiply 3 equals 3 plus 2 equal 5. So to convert any mixed number to fraction or improper fraction, I will multiply by the denominator and plus the numerator. Multiply and plus, multiply and plus. Don't forget this. Okay, so 1 and 2/3, it's equal 5/3. Let's have another example. I have 3 and 5/3. I have a mixed number and I want to convert this mixed number to fraction. What will I do? I will write the line of fraction. Keep the denominator, so I will keep 3. After I keep 3, I will multiply the whole number and plus 2 the numerator. 3 multiply 3 equal 9, 9 plus 5 equal 14. Okay, so the answer will be 14/3. What's the difference between the improper fraction and mixed number? Mixed number is the simplest form. Okay, 14/3, it's not the simplest form. I can simplify this fraction. Okay, what you mean about simplify? To know the meaning of simplify, I use it when I multiply 2 fractions or divide 2 fractions. Okay, let's remember together how to multiply any fraction, any 2 fractions. I have 2/3 and 1/4. To multiply 2 fractions, it's easy things. Okay, I will multiply the numerator and then multiply the denominator. Fraction and fraction, so the answer will be fraction. Okay, I will multiply the numerator first. 2 multiply 1, the answer is 2. 3 multiply 4, the answer will be 12. In any example or any problem, I must put the answer in the simplest form. This answer is 2 over 12. What's meaning of simplest form or simplifying? Means 2 and 12. Is this exist in one table? 2 and 12 exist in table 2. So I can simplify by 2. I can divide it all numerator and denominator by 2. I can divide it here by 2 and divide it here by 2. I can divide it here by 2 just in the numerator? No. As I do in numerator, I will do in the denominator. Okay? So here I will divide it, the both of numerator and denominator divided by 2. 2 divided 2 equal 1. 12 divided 2 equals 6. Is that the simplest form? Yes, because 1 and 6, I can't divide it anymore. Okay? Like in 2 and 12, I will divide it by 2. Okay, طب هنا divided 2. Why 2? Because when I know that two numbers are divisible by 2, because the two numbers are even number. يبقى to know when I divide it by 2, when the numbers are divisible by 2, the two numbers are even numbers. So any even number, I can divide it by 2. Okay? I can get this answer 1 over 6 without making this method. I can use another method. It's a simplifying. Hina 2 over 3 multiply 1 over 4. 1 and 2 is the numerators of the two fractions. 3 and 4 is the denominators of the two fractions. I can divide it or simplify between up and down. Okay? I can use, look, 2. I can simplify 2 with 3? No. But I can simplify 2 with 4. How? 2 and 4, it's even number, so I can divide it by 2. So 2 divided 2 equal 1. 4 divided 2 equal 2. So 1. So the answer here is not 2, it's 1. 1 multiply 1 equal 1. 3 multiply 2 equals 6. So I get the answer without making this step. Okay, but I don't like to write divided 2. So I will do this slash 2. I said 2 divided 2 equal 1. 4 divided 2 equal 2. So I draw this slash or write this slash instead of making the division sign. Okay, I have another example. 3 over 4 multiply 16 over 9. Okay, the steps I know that I will multiply 3, multiply 16, and 4 multiply 9. But it's hard to making the multiplying of 3 and 16. So I will try to do a simplify. Okay, I will do some simplify between any numbers up and any numbers down. I do the simplify when I have the multiply, not the addition sign. It's only for the multiplication. Okay, I have 3. 3, I can simplify 3 with 4. No, 3 and 4, 3 is a prime number. 4, 3 is not a factor in 4. Okay, I can't simplify 3 and 4 not exist in one timetable. Okay, except طبعا table 1 and I don't use it. Okay, top 3, I can simplify 3 with 9. Yes, because 3 and 9 are exist in table 3. So I will divide it by 3. I write divided 3. No, now I will draw a slash over 3. 3 divided 3, so the answer is 1. 9 divided 3, so the answer is 3. Okay, I will try to make another simplify. Okay, 16 can divide it by 3. Okay, I haven't 9 here, I have only 3. Okay, 16, I can simplify it with 3. No, because 16 is not exist in table 3. 16 can simplify with 4. Can I divide 16 by 4? Yes, because 16 is exist in table 4. So I will divide 16 by 4. So the answer will be 4. That's No, when I divided or simplify up, I must simplify down. Okay, 16 divided 4 equal 4. I must simplify 4 or divided 4 about 4. 4 divided 4 equal 1. Here I can make the multiplication operation by easy way. It's 1 over 4 equal 4 and 1 over 3 equal 3. So I get the answer without using my calculator and without making a multiplying steps or many multiplying steps. So simplify, keep my effort and time. Okay, يبقى I use the simplify. Here, when we multiplicate any two fractions, okay, let's remember how to divide any two fractions. If I have this two fractions, 5 over 3 divided 5 over 4. Let's remember how to divide any two fractions. I can't divide two fractions. Okay, so I need to convert this division to multiplication. Okay, how? Keep, change, flip. What? Keep what and change what and flip what? Keep means I have the first fraction as it. Okay, 5 over 3, so I will write 5 over 3. Division, I will convert the division sign to the multiplication sign. I can't know how to divide, but I know how to multiply. We studied before many seconds how to multiply every two fractions. Okay, so I will change the sign to multiply. Okay, so I will write here multiply. I convert the division for multiplying and keep the other fraction? No. Okay, it must have some changes. What's the change we do? We will flip the other fraction. What's the meaning of flip? Flip means I put the numbers down, up, and the numbers up is down. So I will write the fraction sign, fraction line, okay? 5 is a numerator, then I will write it as a denominator, okay? 4 is a denominator, I will write it as a numerator. So keep the first fraction, change the sign, and flip the other fraction, okay? Okay, then I can multiply. 5 multiply 4 equal 20, 3 multiply 5 equal 15. But I have another way, okay? I will solve it by two ways. The first one is to multiply numerators and denominators. 5 multiply 4 equal 20 and 3 multiply 5 equal 15. I have 20 over 15. It's the simplest form. No, because 20 and 15 have a common factor. 20 and 15 are exist in table 5. And another information, 0 is ones and 5, 0 in units, 5 in units. Any number, its unit, 0 or 5, it can be divisible by 5, okay? As the first information, we have studied that every even number is divisible by 2. Hannah, every number, its units equal 0 or 5, it's divisible by 5, okay? Divisible by 5, I can divide it by 5. 20 divided 5 equals 4. 15 divided 5 equals 3, so the answer will be 4 over 3 in its simplest form. I can use my way of simplifying, okay? It's an easy way. I will look at up to 5. 5, I can simplify 5 with 3? No. 5, I can simplify it with 5? Yes. 5 and 5, so I can divide it 5, okay? It's divided by itself. 5 divided 5 equal 1. 5 divided 5 equal 1. Then 4. 4 I can divide it by 5. No. 4 I can divide it or simplify it with 3. No. So the answer will be 1. Here's a new number. I have 1 multiplied 4 is equal 4. 3 multiplied is equal 3. I get my answer. Okay. You can practice more over the simplifying when I multiply or divide it. Don't forget that if I have a division between two fractions, I must convert this division to a multiplication operation, okay? After fractions, we have take we have taken the decimal numbers. What's the difference between decimals and fractions? Okay, decimal is a fraction, but its denominator, it's a special case. Okay, its denominator must be 10 or 100 or 1000. If I said 2/5, it's a fraction. Can I convert this fraction to a decimal number? Yes, I can do it because I can convert this denominator to 10 or 100 or 1000. Okay, let's remember the decimals by, if I said 3/10, I can write this fraction as a decimal number. How can I write it? Decimal numbers means I have the point, the decimal point, okay? 3/10, 10 have 1 0, so I will put decimals after one decimal, 1 digit. I have 3, it's 1 digit, so I put my point and put here 0. It's meaningless. Okay, it's meaningless. Okay, يبقى 3/10 it's 0.3. Let's have another example. If I have 14/10, what I can do to convert this fraction to a decimal number, I look to the denominator. The denominator is 10, so I can write it as a decimal number. Okay, I write 14 and ask me, 10 have how many zeros? It's only 1 0. Okay, so the decimal point will be after 1 digit. I start from right. So 4, it's 1, so I will put my point. Okay. If I have another fraction, if I have 15/100, to convert this fraction to a decimal number, I will write 15 and ask myself, 100, how many zeros it has 1, 2, it has 2, it has 2 zeros. So the point of the decimal point, I will write it after 2-digit number. It's 1, 2. So the point is here, and I will write 0. So it's 1500s. Okay, here is 3 tenths. هنا 1.4 أو 0.3 هنا 0.15. Okay, أو 1500. تمام. هنا 2/5. I want to convert this fraction to a decimal number. To convert any fraction to decimal number, the denominator must be 10 or 100 or 1000, anyone beside it many times of 0. Okay, I have friends of the numbers. How do you mean about friends? 5, I can change 5 or convert 5 to 10. 5, what I will make 5 to be 10. 5, if I multiply 5 with 2, so I will get 10. Okay. So I can write it's line fraction, 5 multiplied 2 is equal 10. So I will write 2. It's wrong. As I do in bottom, I will do top. As I do down, I will do up. I can't multiply 2 in the numerator and not multiply the numerator. As I multiply here by 2, I will multiply 2. Okay, so 2 multiplied 2 equal 4. So the fraction 2/5 have an equal fraction 4/10. I can write 4/10 as a decimal number. I will write 4. 10 have a 1 0. So the decimal point after 1 digit, it's only 4. So the point is here and write 0. So 2/5, I convert it to 0.5. Okay, 5, I will multiply 2. So 5 and 2 are 2 friends because 5 multiply 2 equal 10. 5, you have any friends? Yes, if I have 4, I can convert it to 10. 4, I can multiply with any number to get 10? No, but I can convert it to 100, okay? Because I know that 4 multiplied 25 is equal 100. If I convert the 4 as a denominator to 100, I can write it as a decimal number. So this, friends, I must to know it, okay? I know that 5 multiplied 2 is 10. It's important to have the units is 0, okay? 4 multiplied 25 equal 100. Here, units and tenths equal 0. So I can convert these fractions to decimals. The third friends are multiply 125, and here they're equal 1000. So if I have 5 in my denominator, I can convert it to decimal number by multiplying the both numerator and denominator by 2. If I have 4 in the denominator, I can convert it to the decimal number by multiplying the numerator and denominator by 25. Okay, if I have 125 as a denominator, I can convert this fraction to decimal number by multiplying the both of numerator and denominator by 8 to get the 1000. If I have 1000, so I will put my decimal point after 3 digits. Okay, I have here an example. Okay, if I have 1 over 125 and I want to convert this fraction to a decimal number. Okay, to get this decimal number, the denominator must be 10 or 100 or 1000. Okay, I know here that 125 has a friend, has a very beautiful friend. It's 8. So I will multiply 125 by 8. As I do in the bottom, I will do in the top. So here I will multiply also by 8. So I have an equal fraction equal 8 over 1000. And 1000, the denominator 1000, I can convert it to the decimal number. To put this fraction in decimal number, I will write 8 and know about how many zeros I have. 1000 has 3 zeros, so I will put my decimal point after 3 digits. Okay, let's start. 8, it's 1 digit. Where is the other digits? I don't have any digits else. I have 8 only, so I will put 2 0 to have the 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. After this 3 digit, I will put my point and then I will write 0. 2 zeros here, it's very important. Okay, it's 8,000. Okay, it's 8,000. If I write here, it's 8 tenths. It's very different. Okay, it's 0.8. It's not equal to 0.008. Okay, don't forget this notes. This is important notes. Okay, so I have my friends. Okay, in some cases I have fractions and I don't need any steps to make it or to convert it to decimal numbers. It's like if I have 1 over 4. Okay, 4 it's not equal to 10 or 100 or 1000. So 4 I will make its friends 25 and multiply. No, 1 over 4 it's a famous fraction. It's very important. Okay, I can show it many times. Okay, 1 over 4 or quarter, it's a famous fraction equal 0.25. Okay, but I must know that 1 over 4 quarter equals 0.5. Okay, I can't need to make friends or to make multiplying and to simplify. I can get it on the time that 1 over 4 equals 0.5. Okay, I have another important fraction or famous fraction, it's 1 over 2. 1 over 2, it's a half. Okay, the half equal 0.5. Okay, a half equals 0.5, quarter equal 0.25, 1 over 8 equal 0.125 thousandths. Okay, it's our famous fraction, our friends. We studied now to how to multiply two fractions. We mean about the meaning of the fractions. We learned how to divide two fractions. We learned how to convert the fraction to a mixed number to fraction. We started to convert between fractions and decimal number. Okay, next time we will نكمل باقي المراجعة بتاعتنا إن شاء الله وأتمنى إن أنتم تكونوا استفدتوا. مع السلامة.